What's up, guys? We're here a bit early today. It's 5:28 in the morning, 5:29. Let's quickly go over yesterday's trade. We only had one 10:05 S-Bucks. I'm gonna just go right ahead and say that this trade was just mediocre. Let's go top down real quick. So this was the first bar, right? Clearing and searching off of the 200. Next bar comes in and color changes, right? That's where we enter basically. Made a little run, but I was bullish on this thing for the day, but I only had until like 8 to trade. I had to go to the doctor yesterday. Had a pretty strong pullback because, I mean, that was pretty strong. My stops were here, but then it did trigger again, and for the rest of the day, that's basically what it did, is go up, besides pulling back into the close. But anyways, let's see our trade at the open. I believe it was off the 2 minute. Oh no, 5 minute. 5 minute bull 180. Okay. But I think I added on the what should call it? 2 minute. Okay, so first, had this, but then the 20 really caught up, and right under, boom, ignites a big old bar. I enter right as it clears this red bar. And I enter there with 1, 2, 3, 4 lots, I believe. At around an average price of maybe 55. Yeah, around there. So that's 4 right there. The stop under event. Where do I get an ad? 10:14. Is that here? I'm pretty sure I added early on anticipation of this tail bar plus, because it was a 3 minute. The way it looked on the 3 minute was this. Hold up. Boom, boom, boom. Was it that? It was that. Okay. So this was how it looked on the 3 minute. You had resistance from the prior day here. Price breaks above, comes back, retests that zone, that area, and the 20. This triggers right here, which aligns with this. So I get my lots in at around the same price as before, 56. So pretty early on top of this bar, basically, on the 3 minute color change. But then it ended up being a 5 minute sale bar plus as well, so that's always good when it aligns. But I'm still risking $100. I added more, but I'm still risking $100 because I just moved my stop up. And let's see. Price gets a new high here. Right, boom, closes above. Anything after here should have been take profit. And that's my biggest demon, bro. It's not taking profits. So my average price was $91.55. This is a $90 stock. It's more than $50. So I'm normally anything more than $50, I'm looking for a 50-cent move, right? At least. So $91.55, 50 cents is 5 cents over the whole number, $92.05. And I could have considered the whole number and just taken some off, because that's what I normally do. I take profit. I normally take profits at the whole number, and this was coming right into the whole number, and it literally hit 92 on the dot and freaking came back down. So yeah, I just missed out. Instead, I took profits on the way down at 91.82, locking in, basically just locking in the old low. Nothing crazy. I mean the old high. Yeah. So name 180, and then add, you got color change, and then maybe tell what plus. So from where I got out 82 to the whole number, that I kind of missed 18 cents, which is on how much? 7 lots. How much is that? 18 times 7. Let's say 5. Let's say if I took 5 off there, that's missing like $90, bro. But at the peak, let me see at the peak how much I had. 126. 126 plus 187. This trade was over a 3-yard trade here. Yeah, some bullshit. Position is rising 8 or rising 20. I mean, rising 8, rising 20. A bit of both. It's kind of, they're not too far apart from each other, so you can't really differentiate it too much, but risk was always good. I mean, at least I locked in the old high, but I need to take profits myself manually on the way up. I shouldn't be taking on the way down, you know. Oh yeah, that was a plus $187 trade. Let's pop this into the journal and call it. So this can't be good. This can't be exactly good, because what would have made this good was if I took profits at that whole number for a majority of my position, like 5 lots out of 7, and then trailing the last 2 out at the old high, I'd be fine with that. That'd basically be a perfect trade to me. Good entries and good add. Again, the demon here stealing my profits is my greed and not taking profits. I want a reason that I didn't quite have 50 cents. I want a reason that I didn't quite have 50 cents on a $90 stock, but it did offer me a new high, and price was trading right into the whole number. And I'm a person that normally takes profit at the whole number. Yeah. The perfect trade would have been taking the majority, like 5 off at the whole number, and trailing the last two. That would have made it perfect. Oh yeah, let's see. Let me add, let me compliment myself. At least I locked in the old high and didn't let price run all the way back to break even. I think this would barely, okay, break even was here, right, around the 55s, which, as you can see, yeah, price ran through that, and I had my stop here. Price would have also ran through that. This loss would have been pretty big. What did this get to? 30? So that's 25 cents on 7 lots. That's way over risk if I let that run down. 175 bucks, yeah, that's way over risk. I couldn't allow that to happen. And it kind of faked your ass out because it did trigger here. But yeah, it ultimately went. Let's see what the cleanest chart is. Maybe the 10 minute. Yeah, the 10 minute is pretty clean. Look at that. It's a nice pullback. Boom, 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 boom. Bang! Shit just went bar by bar. When does bar by bar break? Let me see. It doesn't break until here, which is the base. So you're catching a big part of that off the 8. Boom. Nice. Right into 93. That was solid as fuck. Yeah. I found a new tactic. It's like if it's not as clear on some charts, then I just zoom out to see which chart it is clear on, you know, which gives me a better look, and I just use that chart to my advantage. But anyways, I wasn't even here for this, so it's whatever. And that was the only trade for yesterday. Yeah, thank you guys. Back to live trading. Finally, we'll be on time. And yeah, see y'all in about 50 minutes. Thank you.